Team as I take over on commentary because my two dudes are eating at the moment. Welcome to the Bula Fiji Sevens. You're checking in with your boy Margin live, just as the Seafarers touchdown with a score of 5. Seafarers number 2, just 5. Again, Bulavanaka, and welcome to the Bula Fiji Sevens. You're tuned in with your boy Margin live. Welcome to our page. Welcome to my page, actually. We've got the opportunity to work with my brothers here, the Norse Media crew, to provide you live coverage of the Bula Fiji Sevens, the first inaugural tournament, right here in the heart of Porirua, Jerry Collins Stadium. Again, my boys are just having a bit of a lunch break, so I thought I'll check in and tag in and jump on commentary. Hope wherever you are safe and well. Let us know in the comments where you're tuning in from. Be nice to see where you guys are tuning in from. Again, 331 viewers checked in. You're watching right now Palmy North versus Otago Seafarers.
And here come Palmy Fijians. Thanks, Margin, for taking that for a little bit. That's why we had a smuckle. Oh, and the ball squirts out the back.
And they pick up where they left off to the Otago Seafarers. Man, these boys are shocking many viewers right now. And they're shocking the Palmy Fijians.
Mula Tingiri to the best in the P from Donnybrook, Melbourne. Shout out Minster, Mr. 29.
So that was another missed kick from in front. So 10-0 Otago Seafarers. Doing really well, man.
And if you are just a clout chaser, then stay in the chat because the next game after this is in New Zealand Ignite Sevens versus Waikato 2. But for now, we are watching Palmy against the Otago Seafarers.
And man, Otago doing very well. But here goes Palmy. Just a little walking start. The number 1 for Otago has been very impressive, Ed.
He has been. And a great tackle there.
As has the number 6.
From Portito.
As Palmy look to build some phases. I've got a man-on-man situation out wide here. And this number 6 has been a workhorse for Otago. He's their goal kicker. Easy clamps is the call from Sam Baker Leota. Muscody King. Your boys from down south doing very well so far.
Yeah, they're really suffocating Palmy in that far touchline at the moment. They want to get the ball out wide, but they can't. And just losing ground.
And here goes number 1. He's got to play good D, but he relies on the sweeper. And that's great defense, man. It's great defense.
Oh, not rolling away, sir, but he's too slow for the call. They've got an overlap here if Palmy can use it.
Oh, man. Good defense, eh?
Unlucky.
And it's a play on here. And this guy's been dangerous, but here's danger, man. This guy. Oh, that was a heavy carry. So Otago Seafarers, just bring it in the midfield. Little bit of tapping, little bit of shimmy.
Stop and go.
Bit of love on the ground there from Palmy. As Otago just look to keep the momentum flying. And here goes the man himself, and the sweeper will come in and finish off the job.
Again,
third try.
This man is 3rd or maybe 4th generation Fijian, but he's here for the Bula Fiji Sevens. Well done, young man.
15-0. Kick to come. 17-0 is the score. Otago just keep piling on the points. The last game Otago played, they won 43-0.
Right now the score's 17-0. So since we've seen them play, my maths is correct. That's 60 unanswered points for Otago. As Otago now have the ball once again.
Oh, quick ball. And here's a danger man. And I said it with my chest too.
Oish.
I said it with my chest too. What's good, Kings? Danger man and a half. That was a step that I have not seen in a minute.
That's like an American football juke on Madden.
The 4th generation Fijian dots down again. My guy.
My God, you can tell this Fijian with footwork like that. Let's scout. Solid. This Otago team, the 2 times we've seen them play, you know, they've got the goods.
You know what?
Slots that down
You know
the
what,
middle.
team? I'm going to be honest. It's because we judge, when we saw Otago, we thought of like Otago rugby. And yeah, when you think Otago rugby, what do you think? Not too much, eh?
Joshua
But
won there. That's all I
exactly.
think.
Yeah, but you know what I'm saying? But these guys, man, these guys should be in the real Otago team.
Man, this is Otago Seafarers team. They're looking pretty sharp.
24-0. Will they get another 40-point nil
Their defense has
situation?
been so suffocating. I lose my breath too.
Yeah, I want to see the guy with the bandana back on the field again. Oh man, they're pulling out all the tricks, and that's a knock on, but the ref says, nah, you guys need an opportunity. So I'll give it to you.
Yeah, not the ground is Palmy. Oh, it's a long ball
big
and a
forward.
half. A forward pass there from Palmy Fijian. So we'll go to the break. 24 points to 0.
And that is half time here. We'll be back with you shortly, team. Just take a quick break. We'll clean up our table. It's eaten half the food. Okay, bye.
And here we are back again. And the Otago Seafarers. Man, this number 1 has to be making a play for the tournament team, because he is a force to be reckoned with from the Otago Seafarers.
Holy, what a beast.
On that far left wing,
Can someone give us the name of the number 1 from the Otago Seafarers?
it's outstanding work.
Holy hicka. The man with the headband. Hey man. Otago putting some respect on their name right now.
Here, Anis. There's some there as well.
29-0.
No, smash it. There's a spill of still food in there as well. Oh yeah, I'll take it. There's a rubbish.
So, just waiting for the
Oh,
ball
there's still
to
chips in there.
kick off again.
I'll just chuck this in there. Oh, just leave it in there.
And, oh, they've got the ball back, have Otago. And they're just looking to keep it alive as they backtrack and reset. And a little shimmy from the Seafarers.
That's Goliath wearing Otago number 1.
Solid. If that's his name, I'm going to take it. Kama o Goliath out on the wing.
No touchy.
Oh, yep. And look, Goliath wants the ball again. Get the ball.
beast.
Feed the beast.
Oish.
Oh, don't worry about the beast. Worry about this gumma. Let's go, King. And that is what you call speed kills.
Second generation Fijian. The mullet proper. Damn.
Oh,
Got gas, bro.
I've just got a message. If he looks Samoan, it's Tofatu Solia, former Samoan Sevens player. Wait, are you sure it's number 1? Number 1, that's the name we need, man. He's got the white headband on. He looks quite young.
Yeah, he does look young, eh? Oh, here's your man. The bandana guy. He's back on the park. Oh yeah, here. His name Tofatu Solia. Damn. He's a beast nonetheless.
Hey, man. Tofatu Shikazus. Unkind. It's
Unkind.
unkind player, man.
34 points to 0. Holy hiccup.
Oh, knock on. But ref says no, it was a knockback.
Oh, contact.
Shout out to Jonathan. Thanks Rizal for the confirmation. And penalty given there to the Palmy Fijians.
And Palmy now looking to breach into the Otago half, but Otago's defense are looking really good at the moment.
And another penalty given away. Palmy will just be hoping to get some points on the board. Just put some respect on that scoreline. It's 34-0. Otago really making a statement right now.
Sole. Damn, throwing on one and another. Great offload there from the Palmy Fijians. Oh, and a misfire there from Palmy. Isolated just a little. Runs back into traffic. Now Palmy. Yeah, they're just getting smothered all over the park. Palmy. Oh, behind the back ball goes Fiji.
Oh, and here goes
Oh, he
the
puts
pocket
it
rocket.
down.
He'll go. And he'll put on another 5 points for Otago. 39-0.
Shout out to the Palmy number 10 for his pass sub amount. Tough. I'm If I am standing corrected, 39 points to nil. It's 82 unanswered points on field one.
Hey man, it doesn't matter who you're playing against.
Man,
That's saying something, King.
that is saying something. On field one, when the lights shine the brightest, you hold two teams to nil. That's saying something, King. That's saying that maybe you haven't played the best teams yet. No, jokes.
Oh man.
Nah. And a little bit of a misfire there of kickoff.
All right, man. I want Palmy to score 2 tries. Let's go, team.
And here go Palmy now, trying to breach the line. There's contact there from the Seafarers. Yeah, that's all good. Where's the after function?
Oh, hey, the after function is at Bristol tonight. Believe it starts around 9 p.m. But hey, 100%. Yeah. There's actually an after function. All at Bristol. Hey, man. If you're Fijian from Wellington, you know where Bristol is. And there's another try. Otago, man. That's what she wrote. And they're going to beat their score of last game, pushing out to 44-0. About to be 46. So this Otago Seafarers team, they're here to play almost 100 unanswered points. And that is the end of the match. Otago coming away 46-0.